Here's how you know if your blower motor's out. Yeah, I think that's pretty good reason to change that thing, huh? If for anything, it's annoying as heck.